You've seen these videos, right? Earn $1,000 a day with this one AI. AI made me a millionaire in 30 days. Quit your job with this simple bot. Can you actually get rich with AI, or is it all a giant scam? I've decided to find out. I've jumped into the insane world of AI money-making apps, trying everything from trading bots that promise to print cash to AIs that claim they can build a whole business for you overnight. My goal was simple: find out what actually works and what is complete garbage. In this video, I'm going to show you what made me money and what was a total waste of time. I spent my own money testing for huge categories: AI trading bots, AI content creators, AI agency tools, and AI personal finance apps. For each one, I set up an insane experiment to see if any of them could live up to the hype. Let's do this. First up, the one that promises to make you a millionaire the fastest: AI trading bots. These apps claim they can automate the entire stock market, find winning trades, and even invest for you automatically. The dream is simple: turn it on, go to sleep, and wake up rich. For my first experiment, I put $1,000 of my own money into an AI trading bot called Bobby A. This thing claims to be your personal AI investor. You just tell it what you want, and it builds and runs an entire strategy. I told it, make me a moderately aggressive portfolio focused on tech and clean energy. It instantly created a portfolio and even showed me how much money it would have made in the past. For the second test, I used a platform for pro traders called Tickerin. This isn't a friendly chatbot, it's a crazy dashboard full of AI trading robots. I picked one of their most popular robots and gave it a fake $10,000 to trade with, and I followed every single one of its moves for 30 days. So, did I get rich? After 30 days, my $1,000 in the Bobby AI portfolio was up by $42. $42. A 4.2% return in 1 month isn't horrible, but I'm not buying a Lamborghini with that. The app itself was crazy impressive, especially how it analyzes social media to see how people feel about stocks. But it's clearly a tool to help you, not replace you. The Tickerin bot was even crazier. It made dozens and dozens of trades. It had some big wins, but it also had some massive losses. Like one review said, an AI can be great at finding patterns, but the real market is a completely different animal. The verdict? AI trading bots are not a magic ATM machine. There is a very real chance you will lose all your money, so never invest money you can't afford to lose. For everyone else, you're better off learning how to invest yourself. The promise is to make you a superhuman content creator. My challenge here was to build a faceless blog and social media page using only AI. I chose the topic: Sustainable Home Living for Beginners. I used Gamma to make presentations and web pages, and a writer like Jasper for all the blog posts. And I'm not gonna lie, the speed was absolutely insane. The amount of content you can make with AI is unbelievable. But there's a huge catch. The content was ... okay. AI can also just make up fake facts, which means you can't just copy and paste. I had to spend a ton of time editing and fact-checking every single thing before I could publish it. The verdict: AI content generators are an incredible assistant. They're amazing for brainstorming ideas and writing a first draft, but they will not replace a human creator. The idea that you can just push a button and have a profitable business is a total fantasy. But using AI to make your own creative work 10 times faster? That's a massive superpower. By the way, if you're finding this video useful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm literally spending my own money and time testing all this crazy stuff for you. And every subscriber helps me keep doing these insane experiments. Now for a method that gets less hype, but is actually way more practical. Using AI to start your own company. The idea is to use AI tools to do work that you sell to clients, like small businesses. For this test, I started a tiny company that offered one specific AI service. I went to local businesses, plumbers, electricians, people like that with a simple offer. I will use AI to manage all of your customer notes and action items. I used a tool called Fathom, an AI that joins your calls, records them, and writes a perfect summary. My plan was to get 3 clients to pay me $300 a month. Getting the clients was the hardest part, but my pitch was amazing. You just focus on your job. My AI system will handle all the boring paperwork. And once I got a client, the AI did almost all of the work. Fathom would join their calls and send me a perfect summary. I would then spend 15 minutes making it look nice and sending it to the client. For maybe 3 to 4 hours of work a month, I was on track to make $900. The secret here is that I wasn't selling AI. I was selling the solution to a huge problem. The AI was just the tool I used to do it super efficiently. The verdict? This was the most effective and profitable way to make money that I tested by far. You have to be able to sell, but the amount of money you can make is insane. In my opinion, building a business where you package an AI tool as a service is a huge opportunity right now. Finally, I wanted to try a different way of making money, saving money. AI finance apps like Clio and Rocket Money look at your spending, find ways to save, and even negotiate your bills for you. For this test, I connected my real bank accounts to Clio, an AI chatbot that's famous for roasting.